How to hide or show the device security page in Windows Security. Avoid any unwanted changes to your security features. Here's how to hide or show Windows Security's device security page. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why hide the device security page? The device security page in Windows Security displays your system's primary security features such as core isolation, secure boot, and the Trusted Platform Module, or TPM. While this may be useful for power users, enterprise IT admins prefer hiding this page from users as interference may lead to unwanted changes. If you're one of those admins, here are 3 ways to hide or show the device security page. Methods to hide or show device security page. The first method is via the registry editor, ideal for users wanting to make quick changes. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to H key, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows Security Health, device security. Find or create the D word value named Hide Device Security Page and set the value to 1 to hide or 0 to show. Restart your system to save changes. The second method is through PowerShell for admins who wish to deploy changes automatically. Open PowerShell with administrative privileges and run to hide the page, to show it. The third and final method is to run a .reg file, which is perfect for bulk deployment. Open Notepad and copy-paste Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 to hide, or Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 to show. Save the file and run it with admin privileges. Windows Security's features are very delicate, and hiding the device security page ensures any unwanted tampering can be avoided. For more information, check out our official blog post on Hide or Show Device Security Page in Windows Security, linked in the description below.